Hello, I am Mia. Let's learn English. Today we will learn was and were. Are you ready?
Listen now and sing with me. Past tense grammar you will see. Yesterday and long before. Was and were will help you more. I was happy yesterday. I was playing in the park. He was running in a race. She was smiling all day. It was raining in the town. It was quiet all around. I was ready, I was there. He was tall and she was fair. It was small, a little toy. Stories from the past bring joy. We were playing after school. You were kind and very cool. They were running in the park. They were laughing in the dark. I was ready, I was there. He was tall and she was fair. We were singing and you were too. They were dancing just like you. Practice? I was happy yesterday. We were playing fun games. She was laughing full of cheer. They were running far and near. Now you know the past tense way.